The Tymate TM7 Tire Pressure Monitoring System provides accurate real-time monitoring with a robust multi-alert system, ensuring tire safety and longevity for a variety of vehicles. This system is easy to install with a simple plug-in power feature, and it offers dual USB charging, making it a convenient addition for older vehicles without factory-installed TPMS. The vibrant color LCD screen with an adjustable backlight ensures the tire pressure and temperature data is easy to read in any lighting conditions, providing great visibility for all drivers. With a wide pressure detection range from 0 to 87 pounds per square inch and long signal transmission, this system is versatile and reliable for different types of vehicles. The Tymate TM7 is user-friendly, taking only 5 minutes to set up, and is supported by professional customer service and comprehensive guides for ease of use. This product is a practical solution for maintaining tire health, especially beneficial for DIY enthusiasts and those in the pre-owned vehicle market.